Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts. Make sure your Zoom license supports apps and webhooks, and your Bingx account is verified for API use. Next, create a Zoom OAuth app or JWT credential in the Zoom Marketplace so Zoom can authenticate requests. Then, in Bingx, generate an API key and secret with the exact permissions you need. For example, read and trade plus webhook access. Once those keys exist, securely store them and keep your callback URL ready to paste into Zoom's app settings. Now you configure the Zoom app. Paste your server's redirect URI and the Bingx callback URL into the OAuth settings. This enables the authentication flow. Subscribe to the specific Zoom events you need, for example, meeting, started or chat, message, received, so data flows only when relevant. On your server, implement JWT or OAuth token validation to confirm Zoom requests. Then transform those event payloads into the format Bingx expects and securely forward them to the Bingx API or webhook endpoint. Make sure you finish with thorough end-to-end testing. Run the OAuth sign-in, trigger the subscribed Zoom events, and confirm Bingx receives and acts on them. Check why something failed by verifying timestamps and signature headers. Mismatched time or missing verification will block events. Also watch for rate limit errors from Bingx and implement exponential backoff. If things go wrong, rotate keys, recheck your callback URL, disable and re-enable webhooks, and consult your server logs to isolate the failing step. This single action often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.